Hi there, students. Trivial, an adjective. Trivially, the adverb, or trivia, I guess the noun. If something is trivial, it has little value. It's not importance. Yeah? Or if a problem is trivial, it's easy to solve. So he gets very upset about trivial things. Yeah, things that are of no importance. The quantity of my pay increase is not a trivial matter. It's very important to me. So, a trivial problem. This is a trivial problem to solve. It's easy to solve. There's no difficulty in solving it. Yeah? Don't get so stressed about trivial things. Yeah? Life always seems to stress us about trivial things. If you arrive 5 minutes late for the meeting, it's trivial. So what? Yeah, the cost of a postage stamp is trivial. It's very small. It's of no real consequence. Okay, so of little significance are concerned or involving unimportant things. So a trivial remark is not a serious one. Yeah. He's always making trivial complaints. He's nitpicking. So it's petty or frivolous. Maybe if you're chatting, it's just a trivial conversation. You're not actually talking about anything that's of any importance. It's petty. Yeah? It's unimportant. It's insignificant. I don't want to visit the doctor for some trivial complaint because I know the doctor's busy and he has a lot of things to do. I found the film very trivial and without any real meaning to it. Okay, notice trivia is a plural noun. So, yeah, the trivia of daily life stresses people. Trivia takes up too much of my time. Notice trivia also talks about a quiz game, Trivial Pursuit, that involves obscure facts. Yeah, they ask you questions about trivia. They're unimportant things, but they are real. Okay, I think the plural is trivia. I think trivia is a noun. A trivia, I guess a trivia as well, although it comes from Latin and it is a plural. I think most commonly, though, trivia is uncountable. Okay, so something trivial. Of little significance or common or ordinary place. He only puts a trivial amount of effort into his studies, and that means he doesn't get very good results. Yeah? Do you like trivia questions? Questions about odd things? A nice trivia question. What is the collective noun for a group of crows? I'm sure Count Beauty can answer that one for me. Okay, so trivial, of no importance, of no significance. We talked trivially about the matter, but we didn't go into it in depth. I think trivial is a neutral formality word, 5 in formality. You can use it anywhere. The origin, it comes from Latin, from trivialis, meaning appropriate to the street corner, commonplace, vulgar, and therefore unimportant. I think it comes from trivium, a place where 3 roads meet, an intersection. Yeah, so trivialis, appropriate to the street corner. Okay, so I hope my comments about this word have not been trivial, and I hope they've been useful to you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trivial, trivia.